everyone, I'm Alicia, international student from Spain, and I will be a third-year student studying media and communication and advertising at Canterbury Christ Church University. And today I'm going to talk to you about what to bring and not to bring to the university to not end up like me in my first year when I was coming there.
I was really stressed because I didn't know how many bags to bring, how many coats, if I need to wear some dresses, shoes.
From my experience, I would recommend you to bring something maybe like that is quite warm, so you can use it in most of the days. But the problem is that it doesn't have any hoodie that you will really need it. So I recommend you to use another one that is waterproof. And maybe when you are inside the places, maybe you could get something like that is like a jacket, but it's not really warm, but you can use it with a t-shirt and this. But basically my first year I brought maybe like 6 coats, and at the end I end up using maybe 2, 3, that's it. So do not bring that many because you won't have enough space in your wardrobe. So jumpers, I literally use them every day. I use that kind of jumpers. Some of them are not too warm, but others are really warm that you will need it because in December it's literally so cold and you will really need this and a big coat. I recommend you to bring that kind of clothes that you will use in summer, for example these tops or that kind of tops that you can use it in summer as well, because in England it can be one day summer and one day winter. Also I use these kind of jackets when I need to go to the club, because on the way there it's really cold, especially during January and February it's impossible to go with tops, but inside it's really hot, so you will need it. So with t-shirts, I would recommend you to bring any kind of t-shirts, maybe like this, also long sleeves, but mostly I use that kind of t-shirts, like tops and short sleeves, because when you go to the library or in the student accommodation, the heaters are always working, so you will be really hot and you won't need, for example, a jumper or a coat. So it's better to always wear one of these and a jumper and then a coat. My first year of uni, I brought maybe like 11-12 bags. I end up using like 3, so I use one of them, something like that, for the university, so I can keep my laptop and always bring something that, like a notebook or something that I really needed in my lectures. Something like this, so I can put my laptop inside and always carry it to the university. And to go out, I would use that kind of little bag, so I can carry just my phone, my ID and my money. And in the case of shoes, again, I brought maybe like 8 pair of shoes and I end up using 3. So I use normal trainers for sport if you really want to do sport, you need to go to the gym, maybe a pair of high heels, something like that if you really want to go to a club, but really everyone in Canterbury just wear trainers or maybe Vans or Converse when you need to go to the clubs. And maybe something like that, like boots in the case that it's snowing. So basically just bring everything that you really think that you're gonna need, because at the end you will see yourself with so many things in the room and it's really not necessary. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it, and if you have any questions you can ask me, and I encourage you to watch the next video that's going to be here for next week, and see you all in September. Thank you.